as well. So this is the paper we are going to solve. Here we have the files. Okay, I'll open up P3 spreadsheet. And let's read the question. So let me zoom in. Put this down here. You're going to prepare a spreadsheet for Super Scuba. You will use spreadsheets to create chart and calculate the cost of diving trips despite all currency values in dollars to decimal places. Use software package, load the file p3.csv. I've done that. Save this file with your center number, candidate number. Okay. Insert new row above row 1. So I'll insert a new row. In cell A1, enter the title. In cell A1. Okay. Just in A1. Merge the cells B2 to E2. So B2, sorry, was it B2 to E2?
What's the name of this paper?
F2 to I2. Is someone trying to say something? I can't hear you. F2 to I2.
Sir?
Yes. Yes, beta. I can hear you. What are you saying?
Right.
I just could not hear your initial words. N2 to Q2. Did someone hear what he was saying?
Solving.
Yeah, I'm solving. I'm solving this. It's a specimen. It's specimen P3 2016. Okay. Format these cells so that text is center black. Okay. So format this text so that it's a center line black. 18. Shade each. I'm just skipping this point. Okay. Anyway, format all cells A2 to R2 so that they appear the same as formatted in step 3. A2 to R2. And okay, fine. Let me not skip point. So text is center line with black. So in all this, the center, it's center lines, the text is black. Whatever text we type, they're saying should be 18 point, should be 18 point, should be sans serif. Okay, so I can use over here is Times New Roman. You do remember what is serif and sans serif, obviously you do. And then done. Each has a gray background color and a thick black border. Okay, so each has a gray background and a thick black border, right?
उसने thin बोला sir.
Sorry, thin या thick बोला है? Thin.
Thin sir.
Thin, right. Thin कर देते हैं. No issue with that. We'll just make it with thin. Did I make it thin? Outside border. That's thin. Okay. Format cells A2 to R2 so that they appear in the same format as step 3. No way, man. Okay. So we do the same thing. We select them, center.
सर क्वार्टर से स्टार्ट हुआ सर, क्वार्टर से लेके आर तक।
इधर ये था ना, 3 थे ना?
नहीं सर, उसका था B2 से E2 तक करना था ना सर मेरे हिसाब से।
तो मैंने सही किया था,
ठीक।
तो मैंने सही किया था पहले, जुलाई टिल यहाँ तक है ना, एंड देन
जी सर।
ठीक है। अच्छा, I'll just continue. मैं अगला पॉइंट करते हैं. Let's come to formula. तो कर लोगे. In cell E4, use a function to calculate the number of trips in April, May, and June. So obviously, if you want to calculate in cell E4, E4, the total number of trips, okay, that are number of trips. So obviously, we do is equals to sum, and we calculate this. I'm sure no problem. And April, May, we have to do the same thing for the rest of them. So is equals to sum. And we have to do the same thing here. And we have to do the same thing here. Any problem? No, right? Okay. Replicate the formula entered in 5, 6, and 7 to calculate the display the total number of quarters. We've done that. Point number 9. I hope no one has a problem. Till 8. Anyone?
No, sir.
Yes? Okay, no.
Oh,
Point number 9. Calculate the profit for each month and each quarter. Profit is equal to income minus expenditure. Okay, so you can replicate this, right? In fact, you can replicate this all the way till here, and you can just delete the zeros. It will work. You get the point, common sense. Agree with me? Any problem?
So what keys do you press?
For what? To replicate? I don't press any key. Click and I drag.
Practically, what do you do?
To drag? No, I just click. I just click here and I drag. I don't press any key.
Okay.
I don't press any key. Okay, done. Calculate the total number of trips, income, expenditure, and profit of the year. Okay, the total number of income, expenditure, so is equals to sum. Do you see the initial papers were much more interesting than the recent one? But anyway, the total number of income. Yeah, let me get rid of the zero. It's just irritating. And you just replicate this. Any problem, anyone? Anyone? Okay. Why is it quiet, all of you today? Good. Okay. On the left in the footer, add your name, send number, candidate number. On the right in the footer, add your automated file name and path. So the way I would always advise you is go to print, go to page setup, go to header and footer, go to custom header. In the left, put this. In the custom footer, right, add your file path. Okay, press OK, press OK. Yes or no?
Can you repeat this step?
File, print,
Okay.
page setup, header and footers. Yes or no? It's being.
Yes.
I'll share the video recorded as well with you. Okay. Okay. In cell B9, use a function to display the greatest monthly profit. So remember the first lecture, the greatest, the highest, the maximum. Okay. So is this not the highest out of the profits? The max? In B10, use a function to display the lowest monthly profit. So we use min, select the profits, and the minimum profit. In cell B11, use a function to display the average monthly profit is equals to AV. These are basic actually, the average. Any problem, anyone? Anyone, any problem? Very good. Apply appropriate formatting to all cells except row 2. Appropriate formatting simply means that the question basically said initially was in dollars, 2 decimal places. So this should be in dollars, go into format, go into currency, then in dollars, then on dollars. I mean, oh, come on, I can use any, but no need to be very specific.
सर ऊपर लिखा तो था सर वो इंग्लिश यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स
हाँ
सर नीचे जाए सर सही देखें
ठीक हो गया, ये हो गया तो edit the formula in cell B11 so that it rounds this value to the nearest whole number. B11 में हमने इसको राउंड करना है. So use the round function. Round का function use करेंगे. Round कहते हैं give me whatever you want to and comma 0. Okay, 0 means 0. So you have to use a round function. Read the question again. Okay, so whenever they say you have to,
सर जीरो से ही होता सर
so nearest whole number, तो 0 करेंगे ना, right?
ठीक है सर
Display the contents of this cell so that it shows only integer values. वही हो रहा है, integer values ही आ रही हैं. ठीक हो गया? So round का use किया. Save and print the spreadsheet showing the formulas. Make sure it's in landscape. Obviously, you need to press this control tilde. आपको पता है? This escape की key है. You print. You will print this in landscape. You'll print this in landscape. Okay.
सर
Okay.
सर मेरा एक सवाल है सर पिछले क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे सर
जी बोलो.
क्वेश्चन खोलें सर देखिए उसने कहा है कि edit the formula in cell B11 so that it's round this value to the nearest whole dollar display the contents of this cell so that it only shows integer value सर डेसिमल तो उसने इसका मतलब डेसिमल नहीं आना चाहिए सर तो सर आपके वाले में decimal आ रहा है
Let me confirm.
सर मैं गलत तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ
नहीं मुझे कंफर्म करने दो ना. डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस नियरेस्ट होल नंबर भी कह रहा है. अब होल नंबर होल डॉलर होता है ना, तो 0 ही लगेगा, वरना तो देखो और उसने कहा भी है कि ऑल्सो राउंड्स, वरना यू नो व्हाट आई कुड हैव डन वाज आई कुड हैव सिंपली यूज द INT. ओके, अगर मैं INT यूज करता तो उसने डायरेक्टली मुझे कर देना. ओके, INT में, मगर INT नहीं यूज करना, राउंड यूज करना है. और whenever you have to use round, you need to put this comma 0. तो इसका मतलब this is right. You get the point? Okay. So dot 00 आ रहा है, मगर there is nothing over there, so it's fine. Show the column और ये मैं क्या था, column heading दिखानी है हमने. So file, print, page setup, sheet, row and column. Right? print the sheet showing the values. Values को print करेंगे हम in you know that in portrait. We print the values in portrait and use the spreadsheet with the following data for December. Okay, update the following spreadsheet with for the following data. 45,000 income was 45,000 December में. ये क्यों zero आ रहा है? This wasn't zero. Sorry, am I reading it right? Why is December empty? अच्छा अपडेट करना है हमने, ठीक है कर देते हैं. That's what they're saying. Expenditure was 40,000. December was not there, obviously. That's what they're saying. So print the spreadsheet showing the value. Make sure. Actually, this just wanted to see कि आपका ये काम कर रहा है and it is being updated. It is. Print the single page and the contents are fully visible. Was an easy question. Was an easy paper, wasn't it? But anyway, इसलिए मैं पहले वाला भी सॉल्व भी करता वो भी आसान था. But you know, Excel tends to come complicated at times as well. So we randomly have to do random papers. Okay. So we've done this one. आप randomly try कर लो. 1 second. मुझे एक second दो. Let me check this. March 16 का. Exactly, you can do this. ये भी उस तरह का है. So I would like you to try. You can even do that one again if you want to. But point 4, task 3 of this year, I would like you to attempt it, and you send it to me, all of you, right? Are you sure all of you will do it? Okay. So this way we would have done 2 papers more. Okay. I'll keep on continuing doing this unless and until we are done at least with 10 to 12 papers. Then we can stop and probably discuss theory again. Is it right, guys?
Yes.
So,
Sir, do we send this paper to you via email?
sorry, beta?
Should we send this paper to you via email?
Yes, beta. You can email it to me once you're done, okay? But I want everyone to do it, just not 2-3 students. And I know who will send it. There are always those typical students who always send me. Okay. So there should be all of you doing it. 1 second, beta. Let me take your attendance. This is 10C, and today is 1st December. So you just consider that as the next lecture that we have is our lab practice. Okay, so you are utilizing it for my lecture. Get the point? So it doesn't mean you go back and sleep. I want this work to be done. All right, all of you. Inshallah, see you tomorrow then. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see.
So which paper do we have to do?
You have to do the paper and you have to email it to me. This one.
Any
Sorry, beta?
paper.
No, this one, February, March on 16. It's in front of you. I just told you. Task 3. Task 3 of this.
Sir?
Yes, beta?
Sir, actually, I only have my mobile available right now. I don't have the laptop here. So can I send it to you after some time?
Sure, beta. You can send me after some time. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Okay, beta. Okay, all of you. Right. Allah Hafiz.